So MSF is a responsible employer, and we tend to have an employee-centered approach. That means that we do have a lot of policies in place that have to deal with the work-life balance, for example, and flexible working. For instance, since before COVID, we already introduced flexible hours and working from home. And of course, with the pandemic, now we've gone towards a more hybrid reality, which is really supporting like the work-life balance of our staff members.
From Germany, and I'm in the Art and Culture Management Master here at Rome Business School. And today I joined the Career Fair, and so far it's really interesting because I really wanted to check out what kind of opportunities I will have after I finish my master here. I'm coming from actually the law part of life, so I studied law, but I always combined art and law, and my master here is the perfect opportunity to create a stronger, broad experience. So so far it's super interesting. I talked with 3 companies right now, and I felt like they're really interested in meeting us, and I love getting this opportunity and figuring out what else is out there to be able to have a really good opinion about where I want to go after this master.
Pleasure being here with RBS as always. Today was I think it was a very good day for us. We found many interesting CVs, and I think the organization was absolutely perfect. What I found in the students is that they were very interested in the brand, they were very interested in being here. That's why probably the attendance was incredible. What I would just probably stress with them is the open positions, and encourage them to look at what is available in all the companies present here.